Hola mis amigos, welcome back to another video. It's been such a long time. Today is August 31st, it's almost September, and I just wanted to make this random video in appreciation of my wonderful cucumbers that I grew this year. They are a summer dance variety. It's a hybrid, and they are disease resistant and very productive, and it's literally basically September and they're still producing, and I want to show you how big they get, and no matter how big they get, they are still delicious. And I've just been eating them all summer long and sharing with family and stuff. So, and one of the amazing things about these cucumbers is I grew them without digging the soil. So I don't have clips of how I planted them, but it's basically the same thing with my other stuff. I just moved the wood chips aside and then placed the cucumber in on top of the soil, and then just put compost around, and then wood chips right back. And they've been growing wonderfully. And yeah, let me show you. I think you can see them a little bit behind me, but I'll give you a closer look. But yeah, yes. What do you guys say? What do you guys say? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right, you guys. So as you can see, these are the summer dance cucumbers. They are climbing on a little trellis that I put up for them. And let me show you some of the fruit that's hanging on. All right, guys, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. And a second one right next to it. And then there's some little guys. There's a little guy over here. And then a big guy over here. And there's some more over here. They're just going, and I love them. So I am gonna harvest one of these big guys. I think I'll go with this one. And let's try it out. let's try this baby out. All right, guys, you already know. So my neighbors are always doing something when I'm trying to record. So I apologize for the noise. I will try to make up for it by being loud as I could be. But let's look at this. Summer dance, summer dance, summer dance. Okay. I didn't wash it because I just don't wash stuff from the garden, because come on, it's organic. I ain't putting no junk on it. But let's hope you can hear me. But let's cut this baby. There's like water running out. Look at this. Look at that. Awesome. It's like dripping. Let's see this beauty one more time. Look at this. Let's eat it. Okay, so I am actually an ASMR fan. But if you're not, this is gonna be the clip where I'm gonna be eating this cucumber, and you're gonna hear a lot of it because I have a mic on. So if you don't like ASMR, then you can skip this. Because who doesn't like crunchy cucumbers? Come on. So let's go for it. It is so good. I'm telling you, no matter how big this cucumber gets, it's still gonna be delicious. Yeah, it's better if you pick it maybe when it's this big, but it's still flavorful and amazing. So give summer dance cucumber a try. I got my seeds online and I'm happy. And yes, I do a happy dance when I eat something delicious, so that is proof for you guys. Organically grown without digging the soil, no pesticides, no fertilizers, and then you get this good stuff. Come on. This is what gardening should be about. It shouldn't be laborious, labor intensive. It should be freeing. That's what I like about Back to Eden. Well, I think that's enough ASMR. I'm gonna finish this cucumber, but thank you so much for joining me on this short little video. And happy gardening. Clearly, I am not normal. So, I'm gonna go finish this for breakfast and some other stuff. But yeah, I love you guys and I miss you guys, and I hope you are doing well. Right now in Central Valley, California, we're just getting a whole lot of smoke because there's fires all around. But there's still so much to be thankful for. So I've been focusing on the good around me, and just being, there's like something over there. Just being, just having that joy that nothing else can give, but God himself. So yeah, God bless you guys, and I will see you in the next video, hopefully. Have a good rest of your day or night, whatever it is. But yeah. See you later. I'm so awkward. Bye. Hi, Scooter.
What the heck is
We got a new dog. We have Polar and Scooter. Hi, Scooter. Come here.
Is this for your vlog?
You guys want a cucumber? Yeah, let me give you a piece. Scooter. Nah. Don't you guys want to be healthy? Polar's like, let me try it out. I was like, nah, not vegan. Fine.
And now he's done.
Hi, Scooter. Scooter. Yeah, let me see your face. Let me see your little underbite. Guys, look at his little underbite. It's hilarious and cute. Come on, show us your underbite. Look. See? It's hilarious.